Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Are you ready for some exciting news? It's been a while since Samsung's Ultra series saw a significant camera upgrade, but that's about to change. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to be getting a massive camera overhaul, and we can't wait to dive in. According to the reliable source Ice Universe, the S25 Ultra will retain its quad-camera setup, but with some major upgrades. The leaked specs on Weibo show a whopping 200MP primary camera, a 50MP ultra-wide camera, a 50MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50MP periscope camera with 5x optical zoom. That's a huge leap from the S24 Ultra's 200MP primary camera, 12MP ultra-wide, and 10MP telephoto cameras. Samsung's been lagging behind in the camera department, sticking to 10 and 12MP sensors, while competitors like Google and Apple have moved on to 50MP or higher. But it looks like they're finally ready to catch up and surpass the competition. So, what do these upgrades mean for you? If these leaks are true, the S25 Ultra will take breathtaking photos and videos, even in low light conditions. With 8K video recording capabilities on all cameras, you'll be able to capture life's precious moments in stunning detail. Imagine the possibilities. But that's not all. With this massive camera overhaul, Samsung's also rumored to be improving its camera software, fixing issues like motion blur, banding, and overexposure. This means you'll get to enjoy a seamless camera experience like never before. Samsung's rumored to be equipping the S25 Ultra with a brand new 200MP sensor, rivaling the size of a 1-inch sensor. This means a significant boost in photo quality, especially in low light conditions, and a shallower depth of field. We might be looking at a complete camera quality overhaul early next year. But that's not all. The S25 Ultra's got more tricks up its sleeve. Expect a sleek new design, upgraded internals powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, enhanced on-device AI capabilities, and One UI 7 based on Android 15. This phone's shaping up to be a beast. And great news for S24 Ultra users. One UI 6.1.1 is coming, and it's packed with camera fixes. Ice Universe confirms that Samsung's working on this massive update, addressing issues like dirty skies, motion blur, banding, overexposure, and more. Say goodbye to those annoying camera problems. So, when can you expect this update? Samsung usually rolls out X.1 updates on their foldable phones first, so we're guessing July at the earliest for the S24 series. That aligns perfectly with the Z Fold SIXS expected launch. And the S25 Ultra will come with One UI 7 and Android 15, inheriting these 12 awesome Android 15 features.